In the last video, I stopped oil leaking into spark plug wells by replacing all of the rocker cover gaskets. However, something was amiss.
So when I started the car up, it did say on here anti-pollution fault. It does have an engine light. Make sure that it's not just something to do with the battery. I took the battery off, so it could just be something to do with that. So as you can see, the engine ECU has 4 faults. Fault in exhaust cylinder, throttle position, combustion misfire. I think that's just from pulling off the battery, I reckon. Okay, so that's obviously come off. Look, it says no engine code anymore, but the car does feel very juddery. Combustion cylinder misfire. That's what I can feel. I can feel the misfire. Cylinder 3 injection time is none. So what I've just done is swap the coil pack things over from one to the other. So the third one is now in the second section, and the second one is in the third section. So the idea is that if it moves from that cylinder 3 to cylinder 2, I know the coil's wrong. If not, maybe it's wiring. It says all the cylinders are now firing, so I don't know if we just had a loose connection or what. So swapping those coils over worked. I don't know whether it was just because maybe a bit of the wiring wasn't quite connecting with these coils.
However, small electrical faults kept occurring, so
The last thing I'm going to try is a BSI reset. If you haven't done one of these before, you'll just think that I'm taking the mick. I'm not. So you're supposed to put your driver's window down, which I can't do on this car because it doesn't work. So I've put down the passenger window, bonnet up, and car off. Doors closed and key out of ignition. So to keep the key in your hand, wait 3 minutes, disconnect the battery and wait for 15 seconds. I'm just gonna clean up a bit while I'm doing that. Okay, that's about 15 seconds. Connect the battery, wait 10 seconds, don't open the doors. Switch on the side lights through the window. Switch on the ignition. I'm not allowed to open the doors. Okay, so switch on the ignition, hold the lock key for 10 seconds. Okay, which one's the lock key? Remove key, open and close door. Test locking.
after doing this and clearing any fault codes, I took the car for a drive without any of the codes returning. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do subscribe if you haven't already. Around 90% of the people that watch the video haven't subscribed, so please do that. Would really help with the channel. I'd like to hit 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Thank you very much for watching. I shall see you in the next video.